Stand up for me, Miss.
Call my mama, please.
Stand up.
She outside.
Stand up.
Stop touching me.
Oh, what do we have here? This one is entitled Brat punches cop after depositing fake $50,000 check in her bank account by a lens of law police body cam.
Miss, can you come talk to me, please?
Yeah. Okay, hold on.
We'll step right in there if you don't mind. You can have a seat right there if you want. So
Look, she already knows about that. You see that look on her face?
I'm Detective Weekly with the Cowsbury Sheriff's Office. I'm a financial crimes detective. I have a case where your name has come up. It's case number 24-3117. It's a bank fraud case.
Yeah, that's what I'm coming up here for.
You coming up here for some bank fraud stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So before I ask you any questions, I have a form that I'd like you to sign. Miranda rights form. So I just need
You better not sign it. You about to go to jail.
you to fill out some information on it, and then we'll get right into it. So we're at 2255 East McNee Street, Southwest Louisiana Credit Union. Also present is Miss Linda. Christina. Y'all are bank employees.
I'm the chief lending officer.
Chief lending officer. Chief risk officer.
That's what I'm here to clear up. I didn't come and deposit anything. I'm just now finding out about what's happening and what's going on with my account.
Is that somebody with you right there?
Yeah, that's my mother.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's my mother. She had brought me here because I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my account as well. But yeah, I just left the one that saw it.
You went to get a debit card is what
Yeah,
you
I
told
went
me.
to go get my debit card,
And
but yeah, I was in my account and I'm looking or whatever, and I don't.
Ma'am, you can step outside. Please step outside.
Mama, just step out. I'm trying to figure out the same thing.
Why she ain't stepped outside yet? Is she slow?
If you interfere in my investigation, I will place you under arrest. Please step outside. She's an adult. She's an adult.
Okay, but you don't have to disrespect my mama
You can step
neither.
outside.
She disrespected herself by not listening to the police orders. He told her to step outside. She just got the door open with this stupid look on her face.
I'm gonna tell you,
I'm
you
not
don't
gonna-
have
I'm
to
not gonna
disrespect
ask
my
you
mom
again.
neither.
I'm not going to ask you again.
At the same time, like that's what I'm here for. Just close the door, please. Close the door.
It's not finna change anything looking at him like that, baby.
450. Can you send me a patrol unit?
You don't have to be disrespectful towards anybody's parents. That's my mother. She's figure out
Miss
what's
Faye.
going on.
How is he disrespectful? He just said, Mel, can you please take a step outside? How is that disrespectful?
It's none of her business.
It is her business.
It's not.
It is.
You are an adult.
It doesn't matter, and that's still my mother.
Can you please lower your voice?
I don't have to lower anything.
Okay.
Anyways, ma'am, like I was saying, so that I was looking in my account because I
You got the wrong attitude for this one, baby.
had did a flash loan or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they called me earlier, and so I was like, well, my debit card got lost, so I was like, I need another debit card. So I told them that I would be coming up there to get another one. So that's what I went to do, and then that's when she told me that I needed to speak with someone from the risk department. So then I came here.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. If I wanted to do anything fraud, why would I walk in here myself? That's pointless. But that's what I was here to clear up. I'm trying to figure out which risk or whatever is going on and what happened.
Whoever you doing fraud with, you need to beat their ass up.
A $50,000 check was deposited into my account that I did not deposit. I didn't sign off on anything, no nothing. That's what I'm here for.
You remember me calling you and talking?
I remember a lady calling me, but that's what I'm saying. And I have a settlement or whatever that's going on right now. That's what I thought it was. Until I check, I'm like, this is not what I'm waiting for. Yes, this is not what I'm waiting for.
You said you had
It's my cousin had deposited a check into my account.
This is how you know when somebody know they caught, they start getting aggressive, they start getting rude, they start doing all this extra shit for no reason.
All right,
That's what I'm saying. It was not me.
All right, Miss. I have this form. Can you make sure
I'm not signing nothing until I see everything that you have
Go
going
ahead and stand
on.
up. Go ahead and stand up for me, please.
Stand up for what? I
Your ass going to jail.
just want to see what's going on first. I don't want to be arrested for something that I don't even know anything about. That's why I'm here.
Look, I tried to get a statement from you.
I'm giving you a statement, but I want to know.
No, you just told me you're not signing anything, so I can't ask you any questions.
What you have first?
No, ma'am. You can go ahead and stand up.
I don't want to be arrested for something that I did not do.
It's too late. The decision's already been made. Go ahead and stand up.
What am I being arrested for,
Please stand
though?
up. Miss, please stand up.
Can y'all please, tell
I'm
me
not
what's
gonna ask
going
you again.
on?
Please stand up, Miss.
Sir,
Out here doing fraud.
I was silent.
It's too late now.
It's too late to apologize.
How is it too late? You didn't give me a chance to talk.
Uh-oh.
Do not pull away.
Sir, stop touching me.
Ooh.
Stop
You
pulling
didn't
away.
give me a chance to talk. No.
You're
Stop
not,
touching me.
Miss Payne.
Stop touching me.
You better.
Stop touching. Sir, I'm telling you, stop touching. Stop.
You gotta be dumber than a box of rocks. You gonna really stop an officer from arresting you and start pushing on him? Oh, your ass going to jail.
Do not touch me.
Oh.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
450, 33.
Where's my mom? Don't touch me. Don't touch
Give
me.
me your hand, Miss.
No.
Colbiante. Give me your
Sir,
hand.
do not
You are
touch
under
me.
arrest.
Arrest for what? I didn't
Take
do
charge.
anything.
Give me your hand,
I did not do anything.
Miss.
I didn't, sir. I
You are
didn't
under
do
arrest.
anything.
Miss, you are under arrest.
Please, where's my mom? Can you get my mom?
You are under arrest.
Can you get my mom? Stop
No.
touching me.
Miss, you are
I'm
under
telling you
arrest.
right now to stop touching me, sir.
Miss, you are under
Who is she calling?
arrest.
touching me.
Miss, you are under
Stop
arrest.
touching me.
Miss,
Stop touching me.
you are already under arrest for
I'm
attempted
not
bank
under
fraud,
arrest. I didn't
battery
do-
of a police
I
officer.
didn't do anything.
Please don't make this any worse for
Krista.
yourself.
Krista,
Miss
I'm
Payne.
going to jail for something that I did not do. Bro, stop touching
Give me your hand,
me.
Miss.
Stop touching
Miss,
me.
you need to stand up and put your hands
Even if you didn't do it, all you doing is making it worse and you just stringing on more charges.
behind your back
Krista.
now.
Bro, I'm at the bank trying to get another
Courthouse,
debit card.
she's resisting.
And they came in here, a sheriff or something came up in here talking about I'm under arrest for bank fraud. I didn't even do anything. Like,
Stand up, Miss. You're
don't,
under
sir, I'm
arrest.
telling you, don't touch me.
Miss, you're
No,
under
no,
arrest.
I'm not. Don't touch me.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Don't touch me.
How you gonna tell the officer what you is and ain't finna do? Yeah, you going to jail.
Miss, you're under
Touch
arrest.
me, Krista. Krista, please
Miss,
help.
you're under arrest.
Krista can't help nothing, baby.
You can fix-
If Krista not chief police officer of the thing, baby, you going to jail.
Figure all this stuff out later, but you're already under arrest for battery of a police officer and resisting arrest, force, or
Krista.
violence. You're under arrest for attempted bank fraud, so go ahead
I
and
didn't
please
do
stand
no
up.
attempted bank fraud. I didn't do anything.
I have the probable cause, Miss.
What probable
stand up
cause?
for me.
You didn't show me any evidence.
Stand up for me, Miss.
Call my mama,
All right,
please.
Miss, stand up.
She outside.
Stand up.
Stop touching me.
Oh yeah.
Stop touching
Oh.
me. Stop touching me.
Oh.
Stop it. Come on, baby. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Call my mama.
Okay, I'm gonna get your mama, but you
Call
stop.
my mama.
Give me your hand.
I'm gonna get your mama. So you just.
You got cuffs?
I didn't do anything.
Okay, well we gonna.
That was dumb as hell. You just put unnecessary charges on yourself versus just saying, here, just take me. Go ahead. Do your 1, 2. And then got it sorted out. But now you got 2, 3 other charges for this.
We gonna figure this out.
That's what I was trying to say.
Okay, well then we gonna do that, but you're gonna have to come down.
I'm trying, but I'm
Check.
scared. I
Okay.
didn't do anything.
But it's gonna be. Hey.
I'm trying, but I didn't do anything.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It's stuck on it. There we go.
It's stuck on our
I
hand.
didn't. That's why I'm here. I didn't do anything.
Is
that other side
unlocked? They should both be unlocked.
Please.
Her wrists are too big.
Hold on. We got it.
There we go.
Mom, please.
Look, I'm gonna get your mom, but you're gonna have to calm down.
I'm calm, but I didn't do anything. That's what I tried to tell him.
Okay, but you're resisting and you're
I
fighting.
understand, but I didn't
You shouldn't have never put your hands on that car. What? That was the dumbest shit you could have done.
come in here. I didn't do it.
Stand up for me.
Stop getting off of me. Stop fucking
Stand up.
touching me. Sir, can you please get me up? I don't want him touching me.
look.
Stop touching me.
I got it.
Stop
Is she bleeding about her mouth?
touching me.
Come on.
You're gonna have to. Come on.
Come on.
Linda.
Look.
Let me get her a taste of liquor.
Are you too big to be doing all that? Nobody ain't trying to wrestle with you.
Hey, you want to go this way? I know.
450. She's detained. Even 64.
Who punched her? What's going on, man?
Oh yeah, you going to jail. If you wasn't going before, you going now.
Sir, can you please?
She's under arrest for attempted bank fraud, battery of a PO, resisted force or violence.
Okay.
You can call the jail to find out what her bond is.
Investigators soon tracked down the man seen depositing the check, matching his image with bank surveillance and employee accounts. When officers question him, the man grows visibly irritated and defensive.
So that's why she was acting like that. But still, she just made 10 times worse.
Sir, can you look at me, please? Can I get your
Ah, you should have. I would have got mad. Somebody would have put something next to my face.
name? I'm sorry, what? Felton. Do you want to give me a statement?
Statement?
Yeah.
I don't even know what's going on. She asked for a ride to the bank. I came brought her here, and all y'all here.
Well, a check was deposited into her account,
Yeah.
and it's a fake check. So, would you like to give me a statement?
If not, you're going to jail. You're going to jail. Well.
I don't know what's going on. I just told you she asked for a ride. I gave her.
Well, I just told you what I'm
You going to jail, baby?
currently investigating.
They got them like this, y'all.
You're not telling me nothing. You say you investigate something. I'm telling you I don't have nothing to do with this. I don't know what's going on.
Hey, what's up?
Does my name on there? Does my name?
No, it's your whole face, dude.
Is my name on there anything? I don't have nothing to do with that. What? What about that? Let me see that.
Is that you?
No, that ain't me.
It looks like you.
No, that ain't. Well, do what you want to do. Come on. Let's ride.
No, I'm not.
I was not expecting that.
Keep on asking me something.
It looked the officer like, wait, what am I supposed to do right now? I don't know what to do.
I'm telling you, she asked for a ride to the bank. I can't give her a ride to the bank. How many statements you want me to give you?
I'm not getting upset with you.
Stop yelling because he's pissing me off.
Okay,
You keep on asking me the same thing over and over and over.
He's
You
asking
me,
if you want to talk to him about a case that he's working.
I don't know nothing about a case. She asked me to give him a statement.
Colbianta was taken into custody following the altercation and formally charged with attempted bank fraud and resisting arrest with force or violence. She was later booked into the Calcasieu Correctional Center, where she awaits further legal proceedings stemming from the confrontation and the alleged $50,000 counterfeit check scheme. Please show your support by liking this video to see more of these cases with a proper legal analysis.
Thank you for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, share button as well. And that's it, baby. We out.